Before we get into the subject, let's first understand what is bullish and bearish sentiment in the market. When investors expect price of any stock to go upward, it is called bullish sentiment. On the contrary, when investors expect price of any stock to go downward, it is called bearish sentiment. Long trade intends to make money from stock price increasing. Therefore, long trade is often called bullish on stock. Now, how could you make money from long trade and what are the requirements for long trade? You just need to have enough money to buy the stock and pay brokerage commissions. Now the question arises, what could be your maximum loss and maximum profit from the long trade? Suppose you buy 10 share of State Bank of India at the rate of 800 rupees per share, so your initial investment would be 8,000 rupees. Your maximum loss could be 100% as stock price cannot go below zero. Whereas your maximum profit could be unlimited as stock price can go to any level if the company's revenue and profit is increasing year after year. Short trade intends to make money from stock price decreasing. Therefore, short trade is often called bearish on stock. Short selling is little more complicated than long trade. Therefore, you need to have a margin account with borrowing privilege to short sell a stock. Now, what are the steps involved in short selling? You technically borrow share from brokerage and then you immediately sell it in the market. When price of stock go down, you buy it from the market at lower price and then return the share to brokerage and keep the profit. Now, what could be your maximum profit and maximum loss in the short selling? Suppose you short sell 10 shares of State Bank of India at the rate of 800 rupees per share. So your initial investment would be 8,000 rupees. Your maximum profit could be 100% as stock price cannot go below zero. However, your maximum loss could be unlimited if stock price increases beyond your short selling price of 800 rupees per share. As maximum loss is unlimited in case of short selling, this is not meant for beginners in the stock market.